Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make a pomelo salad. It's really easy and simple to make it. So let's start. Here I have the ingredients. This is the pomelo. This is a honey pomelo and yogurt, and this is a peanut powder, which is I roast the peanut and I made it powder, and this is a brown sugar. You can use your white sugar as well, and chili and some salt. So let's begin. So now I'm going to cut the pomelo and cut it like this. Take all skin out. Okay, now this is how it looks like. I cut it in half. Now you have to take this out and make sure that you make these pieces like this. Not very big or not as small, the medium size. Like this. I prepare like this, and now I'm going to add yogurt. This is a half a cup of yogurt, and I'm going to add peanut powder. This is also half a cup, and 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt, 1 tablespoon, and chili powder, not chili, chopped chilies. This is optional. I always like a chili, so I'm going to add. Now I'm going to mix it. So the salad is ready, and if you want more spicy, you can always add chili powder or chili flakes as you wish. So it's now ready to serve. It's ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.